Just came to Hotel Karavansaray. It's one of the best hotels I've been to in Turkey. Every time I come to Bursa here, I always stay there. It's directly in Maidan in 𝐒𝐍𝐉𝐎𝐘. Very good place, close to all the stores. You have all the brands and the old city too. Came now to 𝐒𝐍𝐉𝐎𝐘𝐒 Çarşı, where all the markets are. Parking here is a bit of a hassle, but there are auto parks here. I park it. It took 60 TL per hour. This place is market heaven. So many places for shopping. أهلا وسهلا. Here is Shurpida. Lahmacun, this guy has. And there are a lot of places for religious, Islamic, like namazlik or prayer carpets and other stuff, clothing for Hajj and Umrah. This street has almost everything and anything. It's directly in the Maidan. Also, there's a metro station here too. You can come with metro. I would advise you actually, if you can come with the public transportation, it would be much more better because parking here or driving here can be kind of a hassle. So many different restaurants. This place of the city feels like so much historical. The streets can be a bit narrow because I understand that this is the old part of the city. So most probably we are working on roads that have been there for hundreds of years, if not thousands. I'm not sure about that. So many different things. Whatever you can expect and you cannot expect, you can find here. And this film looks like I've got some good stuff. Oh, what is that? This is the coup attempt, one of the coup attempt witnesses. Most probably one of the tanks drove over this car on the 15th of July when they tried to do the coup in Turkey, and of course they were not successful, thankfully. Bursa is a city with a very special look and feel because of its history and because of its special cuisine. A lot of special food like Iskandar. The Bursa is well known with its Iskandar, popular Turkish dish. If you want to eat Iskandar, come to Bursa. That's where to go. The Pyramid AVM or the Pyramid Mall in Bursa. This is directly behind 𝐔𝐍𝐉𝐎𝐾 Cluster, or this is part of the area. There's this mall, has so many brands. It's called Plaza. The food court in Zafer Plaza and seems very crowded today. So crowded. Tavuk Dünyası is one of my favorite restaurants. The prices are reasonable and it tastes like home food. I really like what they offer. If you come here, try �𝐷𝐈𝐒. It's really delicious. It's my favorite here. This meal costs 240 TL. 𝐒𝐷𝐈𝐒. It's selling rice with. Here is selling 𝐒𝐔𝐈𝐒. Again, another street food in Turkey. I can see all Turks are in love with the 𝐒𝐔𝐈𝐒. This was kind of different for me. It wasn't kind of my taste, maybe because I'm not used to it. I believe Turks appreciate it so much. Allah Akbar. سهلا حبيبي تسلم. This place offers lahmacun and künefe. Called Taş Fırın Pidecisi. Lahmacun and künefe. Having a haircut here is for 90 TL, and for your beard it's 60 TL. This is good price. Usually in Riza I pay like 200 TL, so the here is more, it's less than the half of the price I pay in Riza.
Yakaladım Zeynep.
This city is absolutely epic, with every stone speaks of an incredible legend. It's been so much fun for me coming here, visiting all these incredible places. And it's not over, we are going to many more gorgeous places. Make sure to subscribe, there are so many surprises on the way.